It's not the way to do it.
Shut up, bitch.
Yeah, boy.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
This is serious business.
Come bad boy.
Hanging on the corner, looking real sporty. Cooling with the fellas while down in the 40. Nothing to do, just chilling town. Sitting on my ride with my hand on my 9. Getting the buzz, feeling kinda nice. Homie dropped a 20, so we shot some dice. We played for a while till my luck was out. So the bitches walked by and my dick popped out. Ranking on the bitches hanging in the street. It's feeding time, so ho, come eat. Nibble on his dick, make me just say please. You know how it's done, like a rat does cheese. The hoe started bugging, jumped in my face. Since the boys was present, I had to punch her in the face. Grabbed the weave, stuffed it in her mouth. Don't fuck with the kid when I'm hanging out.
Yo, what's up with that, man? I'm just new to LA. See niggas over there, look at that car over there going up and down. See this fool over here got a gun. Look at that nigga hair right there, man. What's really going on out here? Some nigga over here talking about Hoover this, Hoover that. They said nigga over there low ride truck just got jacked. And this bitch over here wanna get nigga some head. Yeah, bitch. What's up with that hoe? You done ass die.